Hey guys, it's Ray here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have probably the most requested guest since I've started my channel. And that guest is,
who are you again?
And that guest is my boyfriend, Zach.
Hello.
Whenever you type in SuperRaeDizzle, like one of the very most search results is like SuperRaeDizzle watercolor, SuperRaeDizzle drawing, and then like one of the last ones is SuperRaeDizzle boyfriend.
And there's nothing there.
Yeah, and there's nothing there. So
Yeah.
that means that people are searching SuperRaeDizzle boyfriend.
Yeah.
Gotta breathe. I'm too excited. That's why I can't breathe.
Why are you so excited?
So instead of just doing like a normal boyfriend, girlfriend tag, you know how people do that, I was thinking that today Zach, who is very much not an artist, would follow one of my actual art tutorials since I claim to make them as easy as I possibly can. So we're gonna not only put his art skills to the test, we're gonna put my ability to teach to the test. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. I mean, it doesn't impact me if I suck, so.
Oh, well, you better do good then.
Yeah, no.
What, like on a scale of 1 to 10, me being like a 7, what would you say your art level is?
Probably like a 2.
A 2?
Yeah. I can draw shapes, so I'm not a 1.
Can you draw a circle?
Barely.
I can't either, so don't feel bad.
Yeah. Yeah, a 2. A solid 2.
Okay, I'm like wishy-washy, so I'm gonna say I'm like a 6 or a 7.
You're a 10.
Oh, you're so sweet. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop the camera. We're gonna go ahead and get the supplies, and we're just gonna jump right into it.
Okay. Did you break the table
I think
again?
I just broke the table again.
You broke the other side too.
First I broke this part, and now
You broke this one.
and then I just broke it again trying to get
It
up.
must be it's a cheap table.
Yeah, I hope so. Sorry guys that it's super messy around here. We're still moving in. Go ahead, Zach. Whichever one you want to do. Anyone can draw this. That series right there. I did a few of them.
Yeah.
Those ones are pretty easy.
Okay.
There's like a bubble one that people really enjoy.
A bubble.
It's like a bubble. I don't know where it's at, but it's on there somewhere. I've done so many. I don't even know.
Yeah, you have done a lot.
So you can go to the next page and see like some other options of videos that I've done in the past.
Okay. Well,
Anyone?
let's do that
Ooh,
one.
yeah, that one would be a good one. That one's really easy.
Okay.
Oh, hey, look at this.
Oh, hi.
Oh God, look at
Oh,
him.
hello. I remember that
Yeah, you remember?
curtain sheet thing you had.
Yeah, I always wanted something like what I have now, but I couldn't afford it back then because we were so incredibly poor. Anyone can draw this water drop. This is what you're gonna draw today.
Okay.
Okay, great. I'm glad you made a decision. So
Yes, I did.
I'll get the paper and we'll get you started.
Okay. You're crowding. I'm an artiste. I need space. You don't have any. You don't have any other white colored pencils.
Yeah, but
I have to use this one. Why are you making me use this one?
Okay, you can use the bigger one.
You're adding difficulty when you don't need to.
It's just that this is my favorite brand of colored
Oh.
pencils.
Look at that. Has anybody ever thought of doing that?
I'm sure they have. Okay, Zachy, go ahead and start.
Okay.
Step 1. And you guys, I can't believe how insane easy it is to draw water drops. So, without further ado, let's just get started. On to the first step, we are going to draw a potato. Nothing special, any potato type shape.
Potato.
Okay, so step number 1, draw a potato.
This is already so hard.
Draw a potato.
I'm trying, thinking.
Potato complete?
Potato.
Alright, that's a good looking potato, Zach.
Yeah, I know what potatoes look like. I know a lot of potatoes.
We love potatoes. Now that we have the general shape going on, all I'm going to do is kind of reinforce some of the areas where I want the shadows to be. So what that means is I'm just darkening some areas of the line, and I'm also going to be doing a light wash of graphite just to fill in the inside space. Honestly, like, I don't even know what I just said in my own tutorial.
What do you mean?
I didn't even, what am I talking about?
Really? You don't know what's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
How am I supposed to know what's going on?
I don't know. So what you're doing now is just darkening the line on certain areas
And then making some circles.
and then making some circles. Ooh, that's a good circle.
I kind of wish I was just drawing a potato right now.
That'll be next video.
Okay. I'm emotionally connected to a potato.
I am too.
I'm not emotionally connected to
I'm physically connected to a potato.
A raindrop.
Now that we have a nice wash of pigment, I'm going to now blend all of that out, and surprise, not with a tortillon, but with my hand. Okay, so now you're gonna blend it out.
With my hand.
With your hand. Now taking the world's most jankiest ebony pencil, all I'm going to do is trace along the lines of the shape. And I'm not going to trace along the whole entire thing as seen here. All I'm doing is a very small shadow on the bottom. So you don't want to like trace around the whole thing, just a nice little line on the bottom. Yeah, so we don't have an ebony pencil, which is, we're just going to use a charcoal, which is like the next best thing. Go ahead and make a line.
I assume this would be the bottom? I don't know.
Yeah. That's the bottom, and then you're gonna blend that out from there. So much blending, right?
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is not looking too great.
Oh, it's looking wonderful. I think it is.
Next step.
Alright, next step. So now that I have the ebony pencil laid out, I have the graphite, I'm going to work on even deeper, darker shadows. And how I'm going to do that is by getting a charcoal pencil, which is my absolute favorite because it gives very, very dark lines.
You're going to make that darker? I don't think I should make it any darker over here.
Why not?
Because it's already dark over here.
In my honest opinion, like, I honestly think this is dark enough. I don't think you have to, I think you can just skip this step and move on to the next one. Maybe, like, just blend this out a little bit. It's pretty good. Yeah, so
right. I've gone beyond the tutorial, Ray. The student has become the master. Now on to arguably the best part of this whole entire thing, and that is adding in the white highlights to make it look 3D.
I just want to take a second to say that during this video, I used Movie Maker to make all these because I was like super poor, I couldn't afford anything, I didn't know how to do anything, and it was so embarrassing when my videos would hit like a million views because people are seeing me with using like a desk lamp, using Movie Maker, using like a super old 5-year-old laptop, like just the bare minimum.
There's some B-movie stuff.
But it's really inspiring because it's like, that's where I started and now my channel's grown to 500,000.
Now you have lights.
Now I have lights.
It's just real lights. People.
Yeah, I have real lights. Sorry, but continue on. Oh look, he's blending without the tutorial even telling him. Good job.
Told you, the student has become the master.
Good job, Zach. Honestly, for like realistic art for me, it's just a lot of blending and adding shadows and layers and highlights. And getting proportions.
Oh yeah, if you've ever tried to draw a hand.
Oh, I hate hands.
Like me, every time I draw a hand, it looks like balloon fingers.
Oh man, me too. So I always like try to hide the hands when I do my drawings because I hate.
That's smart.
I hate drawing hands. Oh, you're swallowing like you're nervous.
It's a bit nerve-wracking.
Why?
Because it's like, it feels so permanent. How does that look?
That looks really good.
You hesitated.
No, I did not. It looks like an amoeba.
Okay, well it's an amoeba now. Gone from potato to amoeba.
Yes. Getting just any white colored pencil or whiteout or white paint, basically creating like a super fancy highlight. It kind of looks like light is reflecting off of a rounded surface.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, it's pink.
What do you mean it's pink?
It's coming out pink.
It's pink?
Yeah. Because there's pink on the color.
That was my bad. I'm not gonna lie. That was my bad.
That's because I'm getting the bottom of the barrel supplies here.
Oh, no you're not.
I'm getting like the junk that you don't want.
No, that's not true.
Okay. It does not look like a raindrop.
And all I'm doing is just tracing around the whole entire thing. And after I trace, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit, totally optional. And other than that, we are completely done. Oh wow, we're already done.
Ooh, we're already done?
We're already done. Oh, it looks like a little bean.
Yeah, it does not look like a raindrop.
It looks like a little bean. Okay, are you done? Yeah?
It looks terrible.
No, I'm sure it looks fine.
It does not. It looks really bad.
Oh, I'm sure it looks great. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And this is, go ahead and pick up the camera and show your artwork. That looks pretty good on camera.
From far away.
That looks good. See, you did a good job. So how you feeling?
I still suck.
Oh, you don't suck. You did a good job.
The tutorial was easy to follow.
Was it?
I'm just not good.
We're gonna frame it up, put it on the fridge.
We're not framing this.
We're framing it up, we're putting it on the fridge.
We're burning this.
We're showing it to everybody. And it's gonna be in the thumbnail.
Oh god, it is, isn't it?
I don't know, we'll see.
You better not, you might not get any clicks on it.
We'll see about that. Alright, Jack. I just called you Jack. I was like, Jack. Alright. I need to calm down. Alright, Zach. Thank you for being on my channel. On my second channel, we answered Twitter questions. In addition to that, we did like a Bean Boozle challenge where we like tasted really disgusting,
horrible,
terrible,
very bad
jelly beans.
Yeah.
So down below, I will link those videos and this eraser pencil and the original tutorial for this. And yeah, with that being said, Zachariah, and I will see you next video.
Bye. Oh god.
I don't know why I threw that.
You almost hit your camera.
I know. I don't know why I threw that.
That could have been bad.
I know. I was like, okay. We'll end the video now.
Yeah.